Are you also having an online music lesson provider business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your online music lesson provider business. For example, you have an online music lesson provider business in where your users can view lesson structure, duration and costing. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your online music lesson provider business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your users instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of online music lesson provider, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi music lover, welcome to amazing online music lesson provider. Could you please share your full name with us? This will help us personalize your learning experience. So here I am giving them my full name. Here I provide it. After that, you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that thanks Mehruz Khan for joining us. To get started with your online music lesson, could you please share your email address? So here I am giving them one test email address. Here I provide it. After that, you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that hi Mehruz Khan, thanks for sharing your details with us. We are excited to help you improve your musical skills with our online lesson. While providing me 3 different options, that is lesson structure, lesson duration and cost per lesson. If I'll click on lesson structure, then you can see it will provide me all the details about the lessons they are provided to their user. If I'll click on cost per lesson, then you can see it will provide me the pricing details of the lessons they are offering to their user, including one button, that is contact details. If I'll click on this, then it will respond to me like this, while providing me all the contact details of this amazing online music lesson provider business. Here you can also see it will give me one message that will share more information to your email that I have given them here. If you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your online music lesson provider business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking on this Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. By clicking on this, you can see it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the status of the WhatsApp number that are added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see a total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our online music lesson provider business, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to any message of your user that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of online music lesson provider. Now I want to write one message for my users, so that whenever they send any message in my WhatsApp business account, then my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this action option, take button as ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a message as, "Hi music lover, welcome to amazing online music lesson provider. Could you please share your full name with us?" For that I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here the format I'll select as text, number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your users, then you can write in this box. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the message I wrote here. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now after this I want to ask my users about their email address. For that I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and writing a message as, "Thanks $symbol full name for joining us." Here you can see I'll use this $symbol before full name, because with the help of this symbol my bot will respond to my users by their name. As different users have different names, so for sending their manual name we will use this symbol. To get started with your online music lesson, could you please share your email address with us? So for that, I am selecting the contact custom field as email. The format I'll select as email. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any message for your users, then you can write in this box. I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. Now I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Connection plays a major role. You have to make sure that each and every node is connected with each other. Now after that, whenever my user will provide me their name as well as their email, then the next response my bot will give it to them. For that, I am clicking on this message option, take button as media button. Drag this message box here, select media type as image, and upload one image related to my online music lesson provider business by clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. I upload this image here because it's found impactful and interesting towards my user. Now I also want to write one message for my users. For that, I am clicking on this plus add content, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my message. You can also write caption in this enter caption box. Here I write it. Now I am adding some quick buttons for my users. For that, I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as lesson structure. The second button I'll write as lesson duration, and the third button I'll write as cost per lesson. Here I write it. Now I am connecting this circle, drag a line to this circle, so that it is connected. After that, if my users wants to know about lesson structure, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about the lesson structure. Here I write it. You can see I'll also give them one message, that is we'll share more information to your mail, and write it this dollar symbol before full name because it's used for those manual emails that were provided by your users. Now the next one is the lesson duration. If my users want some details about lesson duration, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the details about the timing duration of my online music lessons. Here I write it. Now the last one is the cost per lesson. If my users will click on this, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about the costing and pricing of music lessons. Here I write it. In this also, I am giving them one button, that is contact details. Now if my users want the contact details of my online music lesson provider business, then they will click on this button, so my bot will provide them all the contact details. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your online music lesson provider business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your users like this. It will provide them all the necessary details you want to share with them, that is lesson structures, lesson duration or cost per lesson, including your contact details. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.